All right, good morning, everybody. Today is Friday, July 10th, 2020. Looks like my first trade is going to be a buy over here on the US yen. Still have a few minutes out. We'll see if that changes. These first trades are based off of the PAP pattern that I teach in the main core strategy course, and also the one we trade in the live chat room. And it is the first trade of the day, meaning the very first trade after 8 o'clock my time, which is only 8 Central Time. When I open the chat room, it is whatever the first setup out of the gate is, and in this case it is setting up a buy on the US yen. So we got 40 seconds to go here. I'm going to pause it here until we get closer and we'll put on a trade. All right, we're back. Looks like it's going to put me down to the 77, 106.77. Buying a 106.77. Love it that it's coming down like this. I'll draw that line. $106.77. I am in the 106.77 long, and I'll go ahead and pause. This is a 5-minute US yen Nadex 5-minute binary. Once I'm in a trade, no stops. Wait for it to expire. Decent premium, and I'm along the 106.77. That's where this line is right here. And we've got another little bit less than 4 minutes to go, and I want it to close above this line. All right, I'm going to pause and then we'll come back. Just finished. Actually, this was our loser, first loser of the week. I bought it at 77. It closed below 77, so we're going to tack that off as a loss on a Friday. Doesn't surprise me it being a Friday. So overall, 4 trades, 1 loss for the week. So that's it. We'll be back on Monday morning looking at our first trade of the day. Everybody have a great weekend. Okay, so if you want to learn more about my strategy and my methods and how I arrive at my first trade of the day and how my setups and patterns are identified, then you have 3 different options. If you want to become a trial subscriber, you can do that for just $50 per month. There is no limit to how long you need to stay. It's $50 per month recurring unless you cancel. And what you're going to get with that is you're going to have access to my live 5-minute Forex charts. There's a total of 7 different pairs that are offered by Nadex. And on that chart, you're going to see buy and sell arrows, which is identifying one of the patterns that I use to trade these 5-minute binaries. I have a total of 5 different patterns, and I'm providing you with one I feel is one of the strongest, and that's called the PAP, P-A-P. So you will have access to that chart with those arrows on there, and it comes also with a short little video explaining exactly how to trade those arrows. So that will give you some idea on my method and exactly how it works and the type of results you can expect. You're also going to be getting the daily setups. I still say these are in beta because I don't have a long history with these overnight trades. I personally am a short-term trader. I believe there's a lot more opportunity, but there are some that prefer to trade once or twice a day, put a position on and let it expire the following day. I will provide you with those setups for I think it's 10 different pairs, that and also including the crude oil, gold, silver, and the US 500. So those will be provided as well. They come out every evening, and you can track those as well. But anyhow, the chat room is open to you. You get a lot of exposure to the charts. It's going to be from 9 a.m. until 4 p.m. Eastern Time, and from 8 to 10 p.m. Eastern Time. So you can be able to trade in the morning and early afternoon, and you're also going to be able to trade in the evening. So a lot of time to check out the method and see if it's something you would like to dig into a little bit further and see exactly how it works. If that's what you would like to do, I have the core strategy package, which I recommend starting with. You're going to get three full months access to all the training videos and educational materials. You're going to have a username and a login. You're going to be able to log in. With that, you're also going to get 1 free week in the other live chat room. This is the live chat room where we're actually doing some trading, and I'm going to be in there to answer your questions and help you identify the setups. You're also going to be provided with the buy and sell arrows, but you're also going to have access to all the different patterns, not just the PAP, but you're going to have the pairing, the single double continuation, the delta pattern, and so forth. So there's a lot more information in there as well, and you're also going to be able to pick my brain on how best to trade these patterns, and also more importantly is how to manage your account size, because that's a big part of trading, is not just coming in and trading with ones or twos or even numbers. You do have to adjust your trading size, and that's also part of one of the videos showing you how I adjust my contract size. So that's in there as well. And so that's the core package. Now, if you decide you want to jump all the way to the crystal ball, that's a larger package. Don't recommend this. If you're a new trader, right now I would stay with just the core package, and then you can always upgrade to the crystal ball package. But if you're an experienced trader and you want to learn it all, the crystal ball obviously is my favorite method. It's different in the sense that it's different than the core strategy in the sense of the way that it works. It's actually provides me with a bigger advanced warning of a particular market taking a move either up or down, but it also gives me indication of the size. So that's real important when it comes to trading binaries, is because not only do you want to be set up in the right direction, but you also want an indication of the size of the move, and that's what the crystal ball does, which means when we're trading size, if you're familiar with options, that means we can go deep out of the money, and obviously the deeper out of the money we can go, the less risk we have and the greater amount of profit potential we have. So that is part of the crystal ball package. And of course, if you are a core, and that also comes with a full year in the live chat room. So not only are you going to have full access for a full year to all the videos and any new training videos I put out, but you're also going to have access to the live chat room for a full 12 months. If you are a core strategy, if you do get the core strategy package and you decide that you want to stay, then it's just a reoccurring $50 a month to stay in the live chat room with us and to continue to trade along. And also you would have access to the members area beyond the 3 months. So if you've been in it for 3 months and you're still a chat room member, then that keeps the membership area open. Okay, and that means you have access to all the new videos as well. So that is available too. And then of course, if you were a prior member and you're coming back, you don't need to obviously repurchase the package again. You can just jump into the live chat room for $50 a month, and you have access to all new videos and so forth as well, as long as it's been within the last 3 months since you had purchased the package. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can always get a hold of me by going to binaryprostrategies.com. Shoot me an email. I'll be glad to answer those for you. And then until next time, good luck on your trading, and see you on the next video.